In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's go. Click on a blank presentation, and you don't want to make them boring, so we're going to get rid of all of this. You want to go online. And you want to search up. We're just going to do all about space. Images. Then you want to click any single one about space. We'll just pick, we'll pick this one, it looks cool. So we're going to press copy image. You want to go on PowerPoint. Then you want to press paste. Then you want to make it full screen. Right, then you want to go on to 3D images. Well, 3D models. And you want to type up the sun. You want to get that image. Then you get a 3D model. I would recommend zooming out. Then twisting that about until you're happy with what you've got. I think that looks pretty cool. I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger. Oh, there we go. Then you need text box, and you need to write on it the sun. I would prefer a white one on a black background just because it sticks out a bit more. Yeah, I would also go for a bold font. The bold font is the normally best one for this. So I would recommend Arial Black. Arial Black's my favourite. Then you want to make it massive, like massive. Then you want to stick it right in the middle. You want to copy and paste it. Go by doing Control C and Control V. Put it above it. Then doing this, so it covers all of it. Right click. Then you press Format Shape. Oh no, you want to go on Text Options. No fill, solid outline. Then you get something like this. If you want to, you can change the colour of it. I would. Just leave it as it is, yeah. Just leave it as it is. Control C, V. You want to copy and paste this one. Then you want to put it below. Then you want to send it to the back. Until it looks like this. You want to duplicate the slide. Then get rid of this. Then on the second slide you want to add Morph transition. So this one. And there we go. Thanks for watching, see you next time.